Anyway, guys, a huge congratulations to Mpumelelo Libubesi Lasemzumbe and Amahle. He's the first wife. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. The rest of the house is Samani Pizan Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday, happy festive season. Be careful, take care of yourself. We need you in 2026. So, guys, for those who don't know what is going on today, Mpumelelo posted he's the first wife Amahle with the caption Siyabonga mama sezizolindela isitifiketi sobudokotela leso sizophuma nesibongo sakithi. Guys, when Amahle was introduced to us on Izingane Zesithembu season 3, people were worried. Remember, Amahle, she's 20 years old and people are asking themselves ukuthi uzoqeda isikolo na ubhizi noMpumelelo, now she's a wife, what is going on? So today Amahle posted lana phana ku TikTok with the caption a degree completed. Guys, I did that in a record time. So for those who don't know, Amahle, she's a degree holder, she's a graduate. A huge congratulations to Amahle. Guys, the comment section, people are saying ukuthi ngoba wena phela wahlula isikolo so busy nabafazi. So people are dragging and Mpumelelo saying ukuthi yena ubusy nabafazi. Well, the wives are busy studying. Utirelo, she's currently doing her BCom accounting. So guys, one thing about Mpumelelo, he doesn't marry anyone, he married beauty with the brains and he doesn't want to suffer. You can tell even Musamseleko, guys, Umayini, she works for municipality. Umakhumalo, she's a business woman. Umangwabe, she's a nurse. Umakele, right now she's selling Forever Living products. So people are busy making money. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. You know what, like father like son, without me wasting your time, bye.